Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get an amazing and totally free adult application to your Firestick or Android TV. It's got a couple of millions of videos inside and it's super easy to use. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get that app to your device. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, you'll have to go to search on your device, open it, and here in the search bar, we'll have to start typing downloader. So let's do it right now. So we start typing downloader, and as you can see, there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app because downloader already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on downloader, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up downloader, we gotta go to settings. Let's do it right now. Click on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and here we'll have to enable developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Sticks, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which just appeared right here. So you open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here, locate downloader and make sure to turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. And here you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, we got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to the Netherlands right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same deal for NordVPN. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So let's open the loader. There it is, open it. Wait until it loads for you. And here on the left side menu, it's very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure that you have clicked on Home. And then here in that search bar, we gotta enter a link, which I'll enter right now on the screen. So I will not pronounce the name of the link because YouTube may not like it, but you'll see the link on your screen. So let's enter it. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, the link is not going to work. After that, you have to click on Go, and while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And when the website has opened, you need to scroll down almost to the very bottom of the page until you see the download APK button, like the one you see on the screen. So you gotta click on it, and in a couple of moments the download is going to start. Usually that doesn't take long. Then click on install and wait until the app gets installed to your Firestick. After that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way we'll be able to delete the installation file as we don't need it anymore on our device. So click on delete and then delete once again. And now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is. Scroll down to the bottom and here you'll find the adult application which we just installed. I had to blur out the logo of the app because YouTube may not like it, but of course in your case it's not going to be blurry. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble when using such applications. Once again, you can use the link below the video or just go to topvpnoffer.com to get 3 months totally for free. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.